Hi and welcome. I am here today with HTC Desire 20 Plus, and I'll be showing you how to create a folder on your home screen. So first let us unlock this phone. Now let's say that we would like to create a folder which consists of Play Store and Calendar. In this case, just simply tap and hold on the Play Store icon until you're able to move it, and then move it over the other application and let it go. Whoops. And as you can see, we have created a folder on our home screen. Let's try again. Let's move Play Store from this folder. Hover over and hold the application. Move it over the other application. No, come on. And let go. And that's how you create a folder on HTC Desire 20 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.